Hi, I got a delivery for a Braille army.
We are here today with VibeRide, and we have some extremely super secret world first technology going on.
This skateboard has a brake on it. What does that allow you to do? It allows you to bomb some crazy stuff. And so that's what we're gonna do today.
So we're gonna learn all about how this is a brake on a longboard.
This looks insane.
It does look insane.
Yeah, I drained my life savings making this, so I hope you guys like it. So this thing works exactly like a car brake. If you try to make it like a bike brake, the wheel is gonna melt off, and if you make it like a scooter brake, it just kind of sucks. So this thing's like a car, it literally comes from a car factory, a lot of these components, and you just ride it and just like, whoop out, and you just stop, and it's just like, so sick, bro!
And what inspired you to make this?
Dude, we were just ruining all of our shoes when we were longboarding downhill, so we were like, let's make a brake, and our brake sucked. And then we made another, and it was pretty good. Good enough for you guys to see it, I guess.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
That's good enough for me.
So you guys wanna bomb some hills?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
So can we put these on any board?
You can put this on literally anything with 4 holes on it. So find the craziest board you have and let's mount it.
Actually incredible.
This is a prototype that people can't buy right now, or they can.
No, this is for sale. You can buy this.
Rick, I have conveniently set up a nice Ricky Glaza
Wow.
Rickemite board for you to try to mount these on and see if you can't turn this into a street board that breaks.
All right, my question is, does it go
does
go
go
this
that
way
way.
or does it go this
Nope,
way?
it goes the other way. There you go.
All right, what I've learned is on the longboard, obviously it already comes on the longboard, but we need to make an extra hole to facilitate the brake mechanism. So we're gonna try to figure that out.
Oh yeah,
That's easy.
freaking giver.
Oh!
But is that gonna be in the right spot?
Bink!
Did we just get that first tee? No way we did something right first try.
So were you selling longboards first, or this as a complete with brake is the first product?
No, we're never gonna sell a board without a brake on it. Unless we do a skateboard, like a pro model or something, but just that's kind of gonna be our thing, just boards with brakes.
We usually only do 2 bolts, but for you, we'll do 4.
Oh, guys. You know that means a lot.
What are the odds you draw a ditto on your grip tape?
A ditto? I thought you said ditto.
3, 2, 1, 2. Damn it, I was gonna say 4. How's it looking over here, Rick?
Look, I've gone for the old 2 Phillips head, 2 Allen key.
Why would you do that? That is
to make
literally
it more secure.
the most inconvenient thing imaginable.
How long ago did you guys build this?
We've been working on this for 4 entire years. It's been grueling. We've actually invented 9 different types of brakes and just settled on this one. We've made it all. It touches the ground, touches the wheel, touches little pads.
Touches the ground?
Yeah, that one sucks. You see that scar?
Sounds sick.
It touches the ground, but then if you go over a speed bump, it shucks you off the board because it'll stop the board, but it won't stop you. The first brake board ever on a skate deck. Pretty wild.
Have we ever made a brake?
Oh.
Really?
We did, on Etsy, someone made spoilers.
So if you don't want to do this, feel free to get a complete board. Comes with it installed.
Honestly, the brakes on this might be better because it's higher off the deck, you know?
Yeah.
So you might have a higher braking capability.
Yeah, you can adjust how the angle is. So, Nigel, we're putting brakes on skateboards and we're gonna go bomb some crazy hills.
Have fun. have fun.
Oh, you don't want to race?
That sounds insane. That's a brake on there? I'm gonna die. I don't do good with brakes.
All right, Rick, how's it looking? Better?
Looking good.
Easier?
We drilled the hole successfully.
Let's go.
Getting the hardware on. Then we're gonna secure it and we're good. You think you could change the brake pads on your car?
Me?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Really?
No, I couldn't even change my own oil if I needed to. If you can change your own oil, leave it in the comments below.
Looks sick. Yeah.
Would you invent this again?
Oh, totally. Yeah.
It would be pretty sick if you just skate really, really fast, do a kickflip, and then just brake.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
You all right, Jones?
I'm in danger.
Hey, you can put your foot underneath the brake and use it as a way to...
Go.
Oh! Hit the brakes, Dan. Yeah. Hit the brakes, Dan. Oh, not other way. They're on the tail.
But I want to hit the nose.
Oh, you want to hit the nose? Damn, brother, smooth.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. Yeah.
Oh! Wow. 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 Oh my.
That actually kind of hurt.
That was a good send right there. All right, you said you have some ideas for us?
Gather around, gather around.
Break, break, break.
Okay, I have a challenge for you guys. We go to one of the steepest hills around. One of you guys races me. And if you win, we'll donate 5 boards to your subscribers.
Ooh. I'm so excited for JD to get in this race.
Hell no.
JD, let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Freeway. Bro, you could get in on it too.
We made it out to a fine hill. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared that we got some U-turners ready to block the road for us.
All right, who is racing for the board giveaway?
Not me.
Rick, you got volunteered.
Look, what's this?
Nothing, bro. They're just moving.
Get me to a safe area.
For what it's worth, we went down Lombard Street yesterday completely barefoot.
Can we have that footage?
Yeah, 100%.
Perfect.
All right, I'm gonna go nice and slow because I do not want to get out of speed here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my gosh. Lombard Street without shoes. You can't tell me brakes aren't sick.
I want to learn. I've never bombed a hill.
Huh?
I don't think I ever have on
Really?
anything. Maybe not like an actual hill.
This is actually good. You gotta obey the law, and you have to stop before the stop sign line.
Gotta yield.
All right, guys, first hill. How do you feel?
Nervous.
Yeah, me
A
too.
lot taller from up here and scarier.
All right, we got our 3 contestants up there.
Well, let's do it.
I'm going.
Phew.
Here they go. Oh, JD, be safe.
I like that. Oh
No way.
I'm braking.
Wow.
Let's go.
no! It feels not bad.
Yeah.
Like if you're on a regular longboard or skateboard, it feels like you would die. On this, you feel safe.
Is it like
I
smooth?
like it.
Is the braking smooth?
Oh yeah.
But see, what JD's saying is I would never bomb this hill just with a dead stop there.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's like, how am I gonna stop fast enough? But
Watch
with this,
out.
like, I have the confidence.
Man, that's pretty cool. The braking was actually really good.
Thanks. Yeah, it works good. People just need to try it, and like once you guys try it, you know, like, all right, it's not that scary.
All right. Well, Rick, I'm not feeling good about your odds winning this race, bro.
Why? He was only just a hair in front of me.
A hair is like a full wig, bro.
It's like at least like 10 feet ahead of you.
Uzi, do you want to try it?
Sure.
Let's see them brakes. Hey, dude.
It's actually so fun.
To someone who's watching and knows about skateboarding, seeing that, they'd be like, what is happening right now?
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm not doing that. We're definitely losing the race.
We're good. I like that. It was a nice, medium,
Nice, chill,
chill, slow.
no stress.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Low key, my heart like,
Stop.
my heart like,
What the?
oh, cruise.
and safe.
He's got it, dude.
Oh, I'm gonna go nice and slow for you. Woo! Oh, oh, apply pressure, applying pressure. Okay, this is sick. This is amazing. Okay. Dang. Oh, this is. Hey, this is actually sick.
You are 100% right, Dan. It fully negates the scariness of bombing a hill.
I think if we've got an invention that Uzi approves of, they're doing something right.
Well, you said it gives you a nice chill ride, so that's kind of what I meant. Is like you get rid of the fear and you just have a nice stroll down the nice, safe hills of San Leandro. All right, well, I think we're warmed up to enough.
Yeah.
Should we go to Mega Hill and let him do that?
Yeah, sure.
This is the end of me.
This is good. Honestly, this is a really good hill. I feel like whoever we decide to race should get some test runs.
Yeah, you guys test as much as you want. And you see those cones down there? We stop right there.
That's the finish line?
Yeah, we'll start up top.
Deal. Or you guys could race to see who wins, and then the winner can go.
Sweet.
Hop in, we'll take you to the top.
Are JD and I racing?
Yeah. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm already braking.
So much speed. That's sharp. And we got a winner. All right, so JD, you will be participating in this race?
I guess so.
You want to, JD?
Yeah.
All right, so you said if we beat you in this race, you will donate 5 skateboards to our subscribers.
Yes, so me and JD are gonna race down this insane hill, and if he beats me down, which he probably will, we will donate 5 boards to you guys.
Okay. And if we don't win, then he'll play you in Rochambeau for the same chances.
For the same chances, yeah.
All right. All right, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, not the play.
Wait, let's do that.
No.
Okay.
Keep going.
Hey, you killed it. But JD, you were keeping up pretty good, bro.
I was getting squirrely towards the middle. That's why I started braking. It's scary.
Everyone's safe. That is a win.
That is a win.
I
All
love brakes.
You topped off around 30.
Really?
JD, you were going like 25.
No way.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Okay.
it all comes down to this.
Yes, because this was kind of unfair, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and if you guys win, we're still gonna donate.
All right, and we go 1, 2, shoot. All right.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Rochambeau. No!
Okay, because we're like a broke startup, we'll still donate 3. All of you guys, comment "I love Braille" in the comments, and 1 week from now, we'll pick you guys out.
We'll send you some of our boards to donate as well.
Yes.
Oh, thanks.
Let's go.
I love you guys. This has been so much fun.
All right, everyone, this was so much fun. I have never felt safer at bombing a hill in my life, and I don't bomb many hills, and I also don't feel safe very often in my life, so this is just a win-win. Thank you.
Heck yeah.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for making this incredible skateboard break. This really is one of a kind. World's first, world's best right here.
Thank you. I appreciate it. It's been so much fun, and obviously these guys, these are yours to keep. Comment "I love Braille," and you too can ride one of these.
I think that's actually a good point, though. Comment "I love Braille," and if you are from the US, these guys will choose at random 2 people, and we will gift these boards to you. So go ahead and leave it in those comments below. I love Braille. You have to be from the US, though. Anything else? Can we shout you out anyway?
Yeah, if you want one of these, we sell brake kits or complete boards at VibeRide.com. That's about it. I hope that you guys can ride this too, because it's really fun. As a skater, I love having a brake.
Let's go. Link in the description below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.